Hi reading friend, welcome to another episode of Fatih Read Aloud. I'm Raja Dharma Putra from Fatih Bilingual Elementary School. Do you want to listen to a good story? Now let's listen to a story that will be read by Ghumaisha. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comment below. Enjoy!
Hello reading friends, today I'm gonna read a story about Josh Gets Glasses, written by Susan Spence Aloud, illustrated by Omar Aranda. Josh went to the eye doctor. She told him he needed glasses. No way, Josh said. I will look silly, he added. Lots of people wear glasses. They don't look silly, the eye doctor said. Some basketball players wear glasses, she said. Glasses help them see better to score a basket. Some firefighters wear glasses, she said. Glasses help them see better to fight fires. Some artists wear glasses, she said. Glasses help them see better to make art. Some pilots wear glasses, she said. Glasses help them see better to fly safely. Some vets wear glasses, she said. Glasses help them see better to care for animals. Even some of your friends wear glasses, she said. Glasses help them see better to work and play. Lots of people wear glasses. Glasses help them see better. They don't look silly, they don't look funny, they look just like you and me, she said. I think I'm going to like my new glasses, Josh said. Thank you for watching. See you on the next Fatih Read Aloud video. Bye-bye.